In this video, I'll show you how to add brands to new and existing products in Shopify like this, or even better with color swatches and variant images like this. And in the later parts of the video, I'll show you my secret to make my brand's display look so much better. My name is Oliver and I'm from NestScale. Let's get started, shall we? So the first step you have to take is open up your Shopify admin and click on the product section. Here you can create a new product, or you can choose from the existing product line. The process to add brands is the exact same for both of them, so don't worry. For my store product list, I'm going to choose my swirl base. Now I'm in the individual product page. I'm going to scroll down and there will be the word brands. Now you can click on this line, add options like size and color, and you choose the variant option name. Here are the 3 default criteria: size, color, and style. And Shopify also recommends some variant option names for you already. Of course, if you have variants based on other criteria like shape, pattern, then you can click on add custom options and type in your own variant category. Now tap in face shape to differentiate this variant from other items. Down below, you'll enter the names of each variant. Mine are cylindrical, turnip, and girt. Now let's go back to our product page. Okay, looking pretty good. Now, I will add another variant option, and for this one, I'll go with size. Let's create this and type in small and large. Okay, press save. And let's head back to our product page. Okay, so now customers can choose between the large size or small size per vase, and also between the 3 vase shapes. Note that you can also edit each brand's own product information like price. I'm gonna type in 76 for this one, and 80. Good. And also I can change up the quantity for each variant under turnip and girt, or you can press select all and bulk edit, or edit via the 3 dots button. We have prices, quantity, images, weight. If you want your variant to have the same product information, you can edit all variants in one go by this feature. Next, click save. Next, to add image to each variant, you will click this square over here and select the corresponding product image. Turnip is my middle image, and girt the first one. Now, let's head back to our product page and see how that looks. Let's refresh. And let's press on each one. Yes, you can see that the image is changing corresponding to the variant. Now that we have added variants to our products, we do not want to just leave it there. Product pages with plain text like this would not convert customers well, believe me. We should add some elements such as color swatches and specific variant images. These elements would increase the store conversion rate by a very large degree. Then I recommend using an app called NestScale Color Swatch Variant Images. This app is free to use and make it very easy to add color swatches. Here is the app on the Shopify App Store, and as you can see, you can add color swatches, show specific images, They have a very wide range of options for you to choose from. See on the screen, from simple ones to very beautiful ones. And yes, it is mobile friendly. We already have a separate video tutorial on how to add color swatches. You can watch it up here. In this video, I'm gonna show you a very brief look of how color swatches can elevate your product pages. Now I'll find the corresponding variant name, which is base color, and I'll turn on the toggle. In the option images right here, choose the correct color. Here I'll choose the correct shade of gray and press save. Let's go back to our store and see how it looks. Yep, as you can see, my base page already looks so much better than the old one. What if your product has multiple colors or texture and you want to upload custom variant images like this? Watch this video up here. Similarly, I'm going to show you a very brief look of how variant images can make product pages better looking with NestScale Color Swatch Variant Images app Quick View feature. You can upload a custom image like this. Yep, as you can see, it's now a simple picture of my gray vase. I'll do the same for my white vase and press save. Let's see how that looks. Yep, this is way even better, or even faster, via one click on the variant image option over here. And let's see how that changed in our lamp section. Well, as you can see, we got the same result with just one click. Web page, you can hover your mouse over items like this and click on the Quick View button to access a mini product page. As you can see, our color swatches are now very diverse and aesthetics. If you want to display specific variant images like this, then you will assign variant images to the right products in the NestScale Image Swatch app like this. First, I'll type in the curtain, because that is the product I'm going to demonstrate. And next, for each variant, I'll choose the pencil button and deselect incorrect images. For pink, I'll do the same. And lastly, for beige, let's head back to our product page. You can also see that each of my variants has their own product link, so I can direct users to the correct variants on my marketing channels. Finally, if you want to set your variants as separate products, you can use NestScale Variant Images product group feature. As I click on each item, they are indeed the separate product page, and they appear in the You May Also Like section also. If you want us to do a complete tutorial for this feature, let us know in the comment section. For more tips on how to create a selling Shopify store, watch these other videos on our channels. And if you found this video helpful and want to see more from us, like and subscribe to NestScale.